Come test drive the 2009 Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of three primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, dual rear wheels, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats, cloth seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.